Yeah. Hi dear students, welcome to our channel. Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video we are discussing about compound angles. We already number of videos made in our channel, but still some Chaitanya Narayana students are requesting to make this video. So that type of questions, compound angles, it will be compound angles, next transformations, combinations, multiple submultiples. So minimum 8 to 10 videos I will make it regularly. I hope everyone able to understand. Yeah. Let us have a discussion. The question. The first question. Sine 11 degrees plus 19 minutes, cos 18 degrees 41 minutes plus cos 11 degrees and 19 minutes, sine 18 degrees 41 minutes. First, it is in the form of, you observe that sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. You know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula is sin of A plus B only, no distance. So sin of A plus B, A value is 11 degrees 19 minutes plus B value 18 degrees 41 minutes. So sin of 11 degrees plus 18 degrees plus 19 minutes plus 41 minutes. So which is equal to sin of 11 plus 18 is 29 degrees plus 19 minutes and 41 minutes is 60 minutes. You know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So it will become sin of 29 degrees plus 1 degree, which is equal to sin 30. So sin 30 value is 1 by 2. It is there in the second option. We will move to another question. Cos of pi by 4 plus a into cos of pi by 4 minus b minus sin of pi by 4 plus a into sin of pi by 4 minus b. It is also in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula is cos of a plus b. What is a in this? Cos pi by 4 plus a plus pi by 4 minus b. So which is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 plus a minus b. Cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin a minus b. Observe the options, it is not available. So if you remove minus here, it will inside the bracket, it will be equal to sin of minus a minus b, that is equal to sin of b minus a, dear students. So sin of b minus a is there in the fourth option. Now we will move to another question. If 0 is less than theta is less than pi by 2 and 2 cos theta equal to root 3 cos 10 minus sin 10 degrees, then theta equal to, so cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 10 minus 1 by 2 into sin 10. Observe, dear students, in LHS cos theta is there. So in RHS also I want to get cos formula. So cos theta is equal to, here I want to get cos formula in terms of here minus means cos of a plus b only will come. So root 3 by 2 in terms of cos 30 degrees into cos 10 degrees minus 1 by 2 in terms of sin. Sin A, sin B formula. So sin 30 into sin 10 minus sin A, sin B. Cos of A theta is equal to cos of 30 degrees plus 10 degrees, which is equal to cos 40 degrees. Comparing the angles, theta equal to 40 degrees. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. We'll move to another set of questions. Yeah. Just I'll wrap these questions and I'll make it. It will help for school assistant maths also. For them also it will be helpful. Those who are preparing for DSC, it will help our channel. Especially compound angles, trigonometric identities and trigonometric ratios. Yeah. Question number 4. If tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees minus root 3 is equal to k times of tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees, then k equal to, so options are provided, minus 1, 0, minus root 3 and 1. So for that it will take enough. Next, same type of question. If tan 20 degrees plus tan 25 degrees plus tan 20 into tan 25 degrees equal to, options 1, 0, minus 1, 2. Next, another question. If 1 minus tan 2 degrees into cot 62 degrees by tan 512 degrees 152 degrees minus cot 88 degrees is equal to k root 3, then k equal to, one by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. So next question number, next question number 7, dear students. Here I will write it. If tan A plus tan B is equal to P, and cot A plus cot B is equal to Q, then cot of A plus B is equal to, options P minus Q divided by PQ, Q minus P by PQ, PQ divided by P plus Q, PQ divided by P minus Q. So, in what way we will get it? Yes, students. See that the question number 4, 22 plus 38 is equal to 60 only. So now 22 degrees plus 38 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Here tan function is there, means taking tan on both sides. Tan 22 degrees plus 38 degrees is equal to tan 60 degrees. So tan of A plus B formula, tan 22 plus tan 38 degrees by 1 minus tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees distance is equal to tan 60 is root 3. Now cross multiply tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees is equal to root 3 minus root 3 into tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees. Now, root 3 being this side according to the question. So, tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees minus root 3 is equal to minus root 3 into tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees. So, this you have to compare with tan 22 degrees plus tan 38 degrees minus root 3 is equal to k into tan 22 degrees into tan 38 degrees. Now comparing these two, dear students, so k value is equal to minus root 3. So k value from this, so k is equal to minus root 3. After that we will come to good question, is a conceptually good question. 20 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 45. We know that very important point. If a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, then tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. So here also same thing happens now. Tan 20 plus tan 25 plus tan 20 into tan 25 is equal to 1 only. So our answer is 1. Okay, dear students? Now come to this question. Here k value they are asking to find. Whenever 1 is there, compulsory it will be either cot of a plus b or cot of a minus b. So 1 minus tan 2 can be written as tan of 90 minus 88 cot 62 degrees by tan 152 can be written as tan of 90 plus 62 minus cot 88 is equal to k root 3. Now 1 minus tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, so cot 88 into cot 62 by tan of 90 plus theta is minus cot theta, so minus take common, so cot 62 plus cot 88 equal to k into root 3. Even in the numerator itself minus take common, cot 88 into cot 62 minus 1 divided by minus of cot 88 plus cot 62. Minus minus get cancelled, which is equal to k root 3. So cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A means cot of A plus B formula. So cot of 88 plus 62 is equal to k root 3. So cot of 150 is equal to k root 3. Cot of 180 minus 50, 30 is equal to k root 3. So from there I am continuing the students. So cot of 180 minus means minus cot 30 is equal to k root 3. So minus cot root 3 value, cot 30 value is root 3, so k root 3. So minus 1 is equal to k. So k value is minus 1, it is there in the fourth option. Come to question number 7. Tan a plus tan b equal to 9 plus cot a plus cot b equal to q, then cot of a plus b equal to. So cot a means cot a plus cot b is there, no? So from this, tan a plus tan b is equal to b. 1 by cot a plus 1 by cot b is equal to p. Take LCM, cot a plus cot b divided by cot a cot b is equal to p. Cot a plus cot b value is what? Here, q. So q divided by this value, p bring here, cot a cot b value will come, dear students. So cot a cot b value we got it. Cot a plus cot b value is also available. So they are asking to find cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b formula, cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a Cot B, cot A, cot B value is what here? We got it as Q by P minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A value is Q. So after taking LCM, Q minus P divided by PQ. So Q minus P divided by PQ, it is there in the second option, dear students. I hope you understand. Those who are preparing for school assistant mathematics in trigonometry, for them also it will be useful, dear students. You can watch it. Yeah, we'll move to another set of questions. Question number 8. If sine of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha, then tan alpha equal to. So options are ready here. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. The next question is question number 9. If tan theta is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha plus sin alpha and theta is acute, then theta plus alpha is equal to options pi by 5, pi by 4, pi by 3 and pi by 2. So it will be enough for this. So tan 75 degrees minus cot 75 degrees is equal to options. So 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 1 and 4. So for this is enough for the question number 11. If tan 20 is equal to P, then tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 160 degrees into tan 110 degrees. So options are provided. 2p by 1 plus p square, 1 minus p square by 2p, 1 plus p square by 2p, 2p by 1 minus p square. So these are the options provided. Okay. Yeah, the question is If sine of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta plus alpha, then tan alpha. So cos of theta plus alpha, bring this side. Sine of theta plus alpha by cos of theta plus alpha is equal to 1. So that implies that sine by cos is tan. Tan of theta plus alpha is equal to 1. Tan of a plus b formula. So tan theta plus tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha is equal to 1. So cross multiply, dear students. So tan theta plus tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan theta into tan alpha. So they are asking to find the subject tan alpha value. So minus tan theta tan alpha, bringing this side, and tan theta bring this side. So therefore tan alpha plus tan theta and tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan theta. So tan alpha take common, tan alpha into 1 plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta. So therefore tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So the value of tan alpha is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. It is there in the first option. Now come to the question number 9. So tan theta is equal to, here dividing by directly formulas we have, cos a minus sin a by cos a plus sin a is 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha, that is tan of 45 minus alpha formula. So this can be written as, first cos alpha take common, it can be written as 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Sir, how we will write it? Dividing numerator and denominator by cos alpha, 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So this also we have formula tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. So therefore tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. Comparing the angles, theta equal to pi by 4 plus minus alpha in this side. Theta plus alpha is equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the answer, dear students. Now come to this question. Tan 75. Tan 75 means sin 75 by cos 75. Sin 75 is what? Root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Cos 75 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So after simplifying that, you will get 2 plus root 3 minus cot 75 is reciprocal, means 1 by 2 plus root 3, it becomes 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, root 3 plus root 3 which is equal to 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is there in the second option. We will move to next question. Tan 20 is given as P. So tan 160 minus tan 160 means we can write as 180 minus 20. Sorry, 180 minus 20, right? Minus tan 110 can be written as 90 plus 20 divided by 1 plus tan of 180 minus 20 tan of 190 plus 20. So which is equal to tan of 180 minus 20 is 180 minus means second quadrant minus tan 20. Tan of 90 plus 20 is minus of minus cot 20 divided by 1 minus tan 20 minus cot 20. So which is equal to minus 1 by cot 20. Minus into minus is plus cot 20 divided by cot 20 means by 1. Minus into minus is plus 1 plus tan 20 into cot 20. You know that tan A into cot A value is 1. So which is equal to, wherever cot 20 is there, you replace with the, cot. Tan 20 is P means that implies cot 20 is equal to, directly also we can use these students, no need of converting in terms of cot. Here I will write it. Whatever it is given in that only you can convert. This is good. So minus tan 20 plus cot 20 means 1 by tan 20, dear students. By 1 minus into minus is plus tan 20 into cot 20 We know that tan A into cot A value is 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So this value goes to be 1. Tan 20, wherever it is there, you can replace with P. So minus P plus 1 by P divided by 1 plus 1. This value is 1. So which is equal to minus P square plus 1 divided by 2P. So we can write it as 1 minus P square by 2P. 1 minus P square by 2P. It is there in the second option, dear students. We will move on to another set of questions. So not only for competitive exams, EAMCET, JEEMAINS, BITSAT, but also for those who are appearing for DSC, maths, school assistant also, if it will be useful, you can, those who are having brothers and sisters, you can say, for them, it will be utilized. Maximum I'll try my best. In that way I will provide, dear students. Next question number 12. Cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees is equal to option provided minus 1 by 4, root 5 plus 1 by 8, root 3 minus 1 by 8, root 3 plus 1 by 2, 8. Next question number 13. Cos square of pi by 4 plus x minus sin square of pi by 4 minus x is equal to options minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So question number 14. In triangle ABC, sigma or summation, sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B divided by sine square A into sine square B. Options 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 2. Question number 15. Tan 14 plus 2 tan degrees tan 10 is equal to cot x. Then x equal to, so 75, 85, 30, 40. Question number 12. Cos square 48 minus sin square 12. Cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, dear students. So cos of 48 degrees plus 12 degrees, cos of 48 minus 12 degrees. Okay. Next, 48 plus 12 cos 60 into cos 36 degrees. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 36 degrees, how to write cos 30 degrees? Cos 36 degrees, we can write it as cos 2 times of 18 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta. In terms of sine, we have to write it as 1 minus 2 sine square 18. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 by 16 means it comes 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 8, 6 minus 2 root 5. 2 take common and cancel. 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 4 into 3 minus root 5. Even if you simplify more, 1 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 4 it comes. So if you take LCM and simplify, 4 will come. 4 minus 3 plus root 5. So which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 plus root 5 divided by 8. 1 plus root 5 divided by 8. Is a turning step, dear students. Those who are remembering the cos 38 directly, we can write it. Root 5 plus 1 by 8. And one more important, after that, sine 18 degrees, root 5 minus 1 by 4, no? So cos 36 degrees, you remember root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 36, directly we can write it. So here cos 36 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 8 means. So keep in mind, after that we'll move to another question. Again, same formula, cos square A minus sin square A. So cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So cos of pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 plus x minus pi by 4 plus x. So cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 into cos 2x. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into cos 2x. So that also 0. I hope you understand this, students. In this sigma or summation, sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B. Whole divided by sin square A into sin square B is equal to, we can split it. Sin square A cancel, 1 by sin square B will come. Minus sin square B get cancelled, 1 by sin square A will come. If you expand, that means by using cyclic procedure, 1 by sin square B minus 1 by sin square A plus 1 by sin square C minus 1 by sin square B plus 1 by sin square A minus 1 by sin square C plus 1 by sin square B minus 1 by sin square B minus 1 by sin square A plus 1 by sin square A plus 1 by sin square C minus 1 by sin square C. Get cancelled, you will get answer is 0. Next, come to this question. After this, some logic also I will tell you, students. Here 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10 is equal to 13. Okay. Now, plus 10 only better still, students. 30 degrees also we will take it. We'll see what happens. So taking tan on both sides, tan 40 minus 10 is equal to tan 30. You take, after that we'll see. Tan 50 degrees. So tan 40 degrees plus tan 10 degrees by 1 minus tan 40 into tan 10 is equal to tan 50, dear students. Now cross multiply. Tan 40 plus tan 10 is equal to tan 50 into 1 tan 50 minus tan 50 into tan 14 into tan 10. In this tan 50 into tan 40, previously I wrote one formula, a plus b. If a plus b is 90, then tan a tan b is equal to 1. So by using that, this is value. Tan 40 plus tan 10 is equal to tan 50 minus tan 10. This minus tan 10 bring this side, it will become tan 40 plus 2 tan 10 is equal to tan 50. This you have to compare with cot x. So cot I want to write it. So tan theta can be written as what? So tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta only now. So what can I write? Cot of 90 minus 40. So I want to get in terms of tan theta is equal to. So not this one. No? So tan 50 degrees is equal to, like this way you write it. Cot of 90 minus 50. So cot of 90 minus 50 is tan 50. So cot of 90 minus 50 is what? 40. So this you have to compare with cot x. So x is equal to 40 degrees. So x is equal to 40, it is there, yes students. Just you need to converse in terms of that. Okay dear students, I will move to another question. So please, those who are watching, you can share to your friends also. It will help for not only competitive exams in maths or JEEMAINS, EAMCET, BITSAT and VIT, but it is important for school assistant DSC also. It will be useful. We will move on to another set of questions. I may take more 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, in the middle of the classes, I am telling some shortcuts you can utilize, dear students. In coming 10 days, I will come to the live sessions, not only this time exactly, but according to my free times, even from 9:30 to 10:30 also, I will come to the sessions, dear students. Please be aware and come to the sessions. We will move to another set of questions. Question number 16. Tan 35 plus 2 tan 20 degrees is equal to tan x. Then x is equal to, options are provided, 15, 5, 55 and 50. Next question number 17. Tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan of 3 pi by 4 minus plus theta is equal to, options 0, minus 1, 3 and 1. Next question number 18. This is very important model, dear students. 1 plus tan 33 degrees, 1 plus tan 12 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 18 degrees into 1 plus tan 27 degrees equal to, options. Next question. If a plus b is equal to 315, dear students, 315 degrees, then 1 minus tan a into 1 minus tan b is equal to, So options 0, 2, 1, root 3. So 1 by 2. Like previous problem, 35 plus 20, 55. 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. Now, taking tan on both sides, tan 35 degrees plus 20 is equal to tan 55. Previously they are asking cot now. So these two sum if you do, you will get the answer in terms of x. Sum in the previous question also in terms of cot asked means that time the answer will be different. Now we can write it directly 35 plus 20 is 55 is only our answer, but how it will be once you see, dear students. So tan 35 plus tan 20 divided by 1 minus tan 35 into tan 20 is equal to tan 55. Cross multiplication, tan 35 degrees plus tan 20 degrees is equal to 1 into tan 55 minus tan 55 into tan 35 into tan 20. So tan 35 degrees plus tan 20 degrees is equal to tan 55 degrees. Tan 55 into tan 35 value equal to 1. Why? Because the sum of if a plus b is 90 degrees, then tan a into tan b is equal to 1. So based on that, minus tan 20 only is available here. So minus tan 20 bring this side. So tan 35 degrees plus 2 tan 20 is equal to tan 55. This you have to compare with tan x. So x is equal to 55 degrees. It is there in the third option, dear students. We'll move to next question. Question number 17. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Whereas tan 3 pi by 4 means 135. Tan 135 plus tan theta. Tan 135 is tan of 180 minus 35 minus tan 35. Tan 45 1 minus 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 into tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta, be aware, dear students, whenever 135 is there, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, this we can write it as tan theta minus 1 by 1 plus tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta get cancelled. If we take out common minus from here, minus of 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So you can cancel these two, which is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is our answer. We'll move to this question. This is question number 18, is the standard result and important. Whenever if a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is always equal to 2. Is the standard result. So observe 33 plus 12, 45. 18 plus 27, 45. So this value 2, this value 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Is our answer is 1. Now come to 315. 315 means 360 minus, fourth quadrant minus will come. So taking tan on both sides, tan of a plus b is equal to tan. 315 means 360 minus 45 difference. So tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan of 360 minus minus tan 45 minus 1, directly writing. So now tan a plus tan b is equal to minus 1 plus tan a tan b. So minus 1 bring this sign. Tan a plus tan b plus 1 is equal to tan a into tan b. So after that come to the question, what they are asking here. Therefore, 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan B minus tan A plus tan A tan B. So in place of tan A tan B, replace with this 1 minus tan B minus tan A. So in place of that tan A plus tan B plus 1. So minus tan B plus tan B minus tan A plus tan A. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now onwards, you remember the standard result from this conclusion. If A plus B is equal to 315 degrees, then 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 2, like previous problem. Both are very important, dear students. Keep in mind and work out. You may in the competitive exam, these type of questions only you will ask, especially school assistant DSC. Yeah, we'll move to another set of questions. Tomorrow we'll come with simple curves, areas under simple curves. Okay. That is 8.2 exercise. I think in the new version of NCERT, not available much questions. Only in one exercise they ended. But I will provide dear students for the questions. Next question number 20. 1 plus cot 78 degrees. 1 plus cot 57 degrees is equal to next question number 21. Sin 40 minus sin 80 plus sin 160 is equal to options 0, minus 1, 2 and 1. We can write it yesterday. Question number 22. Here only I will write it. Cos 40 plus cos 80 plus cos 160 plus cos 240 is equal to. So options 0, 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. After that, question number 23. Cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos 155 degrees is equal to 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Other set of questions, I will do it. Yeah, we'll come to this question. Dear students, 1 plus cot 78 plus 1 plus cot 57. Just you can check it once whether it is 57 correct or not. Yeah, correct only. Here, no need to prove this. 78 degrees plus 57, is it equal to 150 degrees or not? 135, sorry. 135 degrees. That means, if A plus B is equal to 135 degrees, then 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2. Keep in mind, dear students. Is it in this form or not? If A plus B is 135 degrees, of course, 78 plus 57. So it is satisfying. A plus B is 135, then 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B value 2. Therefore, our answer is also 2. You can move to another question. Here, sin 40. How to write sin 40? We can write it as sin 40, we can write sine of 60 minus 20, am I right? Minus sin 80, we can write it as sine of 60 plus 20. Plus sine 160 can be written as 180 minus 20. First come to first two terms, sine of A minus B minus sine of A plus B. We can write it as minus 2 cos A value 60 degrees into sine B 20 degrees. Sine of A minus B minus sine of A plus B is minus 2 cos A sine B. Next, sine of 180 minus theta sine theta. So plus sine 20 degrees. So here minus 2 into cos 60 1 by 2 into sine 20 degrees plus sine 20 degrees. I hope you understand. So minus sine 20 degrees plus sine 20 degrees. So these two will be cancelled. The answer is 0. Okay, dear students. Once again I repeat, sine of A minus B minus sine of A plus B is minus 2 cos A sine B. Come to another question. Cos 40, cos 80, cos 160, cos 240. See here also same application I am going to do that. Cos of 16 minus 20 plus cos of 60 plus 20. Here cos of 180 minus 20 plus cos of 180 plus 60. Cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos 60 into cos 20. Next, cos of 180 minus 20 is minus cos 20. Next, cos of 180 plus theta minus cos 60. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 into cos 20. 2 to get cancelled. Minus cos 20. Minus cos 60 means minus 1 by 2. So cos 20 minus cos 20 minus 1 by 2. Minus cos 20 plus cos 20 get cancelled. Answer is minus 1 by 2. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. Okay, we'll move on to another question here. This is also same type of application. Cos 35 degrees plus cos 85. What can we write here? Cos 120 minus 35, am I right? Plus cos of 120 plus 35. So cos 35 plus it is in the form of cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos 120 into cos 35 degrees. So cos 35 degrees plus 2 into cos 120. So cos of 180 minus 60, like this you write it, dear students, into cos 35. So cos 35 degrees plus 2 into cos 180 minus 60 minus cos 60 into cos 35 degrees. So cos 35 degrees plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 into cos 35 degrees. 2 get cancelled. Cos 35 degrees minus cos 35 degrees. So our answer is 0. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to another set of questions and the two questions which are lost. Okay. Even for preparing DSC, school assistant maths, for them this trigonometry concepts questions, which will help 100% dear students. My brothers also for this, why? Because at the same age group, it may be some people they are fighting with DSC. Of course, I also completed BEd, but unfortunately I don't want to go. That's question number 24. Tan 29 degrees into tan 30 degrees plus tan 30 degrees into tan 31 degrees plus tan 31 degrees into tan 29 degrees is equal to options 0, 1, 3, 2. Question number 25. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then the value of cosecant A into sin B cos C plus cos B sin C is equal to options -1, 1, 0, 2. If possible, tomorrow night 9:30 to 10:30 also another class, this type of questions, same type of questions. I will give my best, dear students, for you. So indirectly it will be practice for you. So the questions which are here, observe carefully. We don't want to prove, we don't want to get the values of 29, 30 and all. If you observe 29 and 30 and 31, whose sum 29 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 31 degrees is equal to 90 or not? We have one important formula, important result. Whenever A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. This is the standard result, dear students. Keep in mind this formula. Whenever A plus B plus C is 90 degrees, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. So by using this result, your answer goes to be 1. Now come to question number 25. A plus B plus C equal to 180, then the value of cosecant A into sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. This bracket value is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A can be sin of A plus B, but in place of A and B, B and C is there. So it will be sin of B plus C into cosecant A. Whenever A plus B plus C is 180, B plus C is equal to 180 minus A only. No? So cosecant A sin of, in place of B plus C, 180 minus A, we have to write it. So cosecant A is equal to into sine of 180 minus A is sine A. We know that sine A into cosecant A value is 1. Since they are reciprocals, sine A is equal to 1 by cosecant A. From this, you can cross multiply. Sine A into cosecant A is equal to 1. By using this result, the value goes to be 1. It is there in the first option, second option, dear students. Those who are interested, impressed with this lecture, please share and like, dear students. It will reach to more students. My motto is, my channel will reach to village area, remote area or rural areas. It will help. Why? Because most of the village areas not having the tuitions or academies. Through my channel, it may help. So that is the reason my channel is running. I am not expecting any amount and all, but it reaches to most of the students. In that way, I am helping. So Panindra Maths with Panindra as well as Panindra Math classes, both channels are there. Panindra Maths JEEMAINS CBSE classes exclusively for that, but Maths with Panindra Intermediate, JEEMAINS, EAMCET, all problems are all type of videos are available. Please do share and subscribe. Now those who are watching, please like and subscribe. Thank you all, dear students. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. And still any doubts are there, write in the comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all.